right, friends, we're gonna be doing the helmet from Clone Trooper Commander Cody. All right, so I'm just laying this out here. It all figured out. Okay. I think we got a good idea now where stuff is. There we are. Okay. Now, make sure you're staying with your pencil. Very important. All right, so we're gonna start in the middle here. We're gonna just put a little line there, up on each side. And then we're gonna go straight out. Then we're gonna come down and in just a little. Down and in just a little. Then we're gonna repeat that shape. Like so. And we're gonna put another shape up here that's a little more geometric. Do a little line work here. And then that's gonna head down. Try to do the same thing over here. Like that. We got diagonal lines coming out. And then we got lines coming across like that. All right. We got another diagonal line going down and then coming across, coming down, coming across. And we've got another line coming down like so. And then we've got some additional shapes. Down here. All right. Then we have an antenna or something hanging out here. We have a circle here with a little circle inside and a bigger circle outside and some lines separating that. Then we have something here with a line coming up. Okay, like that. And then we got a little something hanging out here. There's just all kinds of gizmos around here on this helmet. And then we're gonna come up and come back down, come up, come back down, and I kind of flared it as it went out, and then we've got the line in between, and then the same thing happens over here. And then there's the helmet in between, and it comes around. Got this piece here and coming down. All right. Then through here we have a white band that comes across, and we got a little bump out here. All right. And here, this comes up and down, back, then comes around. And we have a little piece over here, like that. A few lines on that. And we have the same thing on this side. It's gonna come up, come around, like so. Then we've got the piece underneath of that. And it's got some stripes. Then we have the big piece on the bottom. And little triangles. And then these remind me of some eyeballs. Some little zigzag eyelashes. Very strange. Okay. And then we have this inner piece to round it out that comes in, and then that comes down, and then it comes back in and has a piece coming down, and then we have 3 lines coming out like that. And I think that does it. Let me double check. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, all right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.